Welcome to Codsall in the West Midlands. We're gonna go for a bridge. This was the original footbridge back when the station was built. Then we're gonna do some train spotting and go down to Shrewsbury. Down there is Birmingham. Down there Shrewsbury and Wales belong. So beyond. Gonna wait for a train to come. I am currently by the old station building, a Codsall, which is now a pub. Very nice. Down there's Bellbrook, the station along. It's on to Wolverhampton and Birmingham. What if I tell you all this? This. That we have no barriers here to stop people from coming on the railway line. Why have they done that? It's very simple. People to walk down here and trespass on the railway. Yeah, because the tracks are literally right there. Come on, man. There's the original footbridge. Lamp. You do something very risky, yeah? The trains are coming in, John. I'm on the track bed. Platform's right there. You're probably wondering what that noise is. It's not a train, it's a generator. Somewhere there. Oh! That's 196. Hey! That is 196 111. Let's go up to Birmingham. Oh man, that was exciting. Oh my, lordy lord. That service was on Shrewsbury. So fast, man. You know what I think? I think that Codsall Games should make a route from Birmingham to Shrewsbury and includes routes like the Class 158, the Class 170, Class 196, and that's it. And make Codsall a station since it's on the line, on the Cambrian line from Wolverhampton to Shrewsbury, which is down there. Wolverhampton's down there in Birmingham. Man. That was thrilling, man. Oh, spike plug. Look at that. Look at this. Sitting by the land side. Love to keep this. Sorry about that. Twig. You can join your brother. Ticket machine. I think we should head on up to platform 2, which is over there. I think so. So apparently the platform 2 has been cancelled. Go platform 2. Just go on over there. Welcome to platform 2. Codsall. That's a penalty if you trespass. What? Oh. Waiting room. It's locked. Car stop sign. Nice. Platform number 1. We're just on that. Milepost and a limited clearance stand. Steel coils. There. It's very simple. Just do that. Hopefully no trains will come in. It's gonna be risky. I've touched railway line. Nice. For those of you wondering what is this? Construction site. Bit more of an area. The cheeky shelter. Footbridge. Waiting room. Some tracks, obviously. Our rail station rail tracks. Some benches. As you can see. Signal up there. You don't see it. For those of you who are wondering, part of Codsall Station goes over a road. But the custom road bridge. Station announcement. Very nice. The signal. That way, Shrewsbury and Wales. Wonder where the next train's going. Okay, so I found something very interesting. This right here. This to be part of your platform. Reaching here. Nice.